We're down at Laburnum Street and we're off site nearly 5 weeks now. We had an asbestos problem from the roof, it dropped from the roof and it was down under the concrete floor. We didn't know we had it, the surveys were all done prior to that, but when they removed the floor they found some of the slate from the roof underneath the concrete. So now the removable company is contracted and they're coming and they start on Monday. It'll take approximately 10 days. They have to remove 300 mil from the whole floor and it's away. And guess what? It's costing a blooming fortune to get it lifted. Holy moly! What? Unreal. Anyway, it's onward and upward and we're back on site on Monday. Go kick that car!